Hi, I'm Sonia with Recover-Restore-Gro Natural Hair Growth Products, and I wanted to congratulate you on buying your 5-piece kit. The 5-piece kit has our shampoo, our conditioner, leave-in treatment, our root growth elixir, and our healing scalp butter. My guess is you bought this set because you have a variety of hair textures in your household. For our leave-in treatment, it is designed specifically to help hydrate the hair and also help strengthen the hair, and it's great as a heat protectant. You want to spray it into the palm of your hands, 1 squirt. And you only want to apply this product when your hair is wet. Water works as a vehicle to really help things loosen up and move around. So apply it to the palm of the hands before you slap it on the hair. Thin that product out. Really work it into the palm of your hands before it touches your hair. And then you see the product on my hand, you see that glow? Water's going to take that, thin that out, and really stretch it all over the hair. So you really want to tap, you want to hydrate it into the hair and just really massage it into the wet hair and just really work it well all over. If your hair is naturally curly and you're a 3A to a 4C, or like you have some wave or structure to your hair, you can use this product as a curl styler. When you use this product as a curl styler, you really want to go to town and hydrate the hair from root to tip. How to use the root growth elixir and the scalp butter. Do you use them together? Never. The root growth elixir is designed for those if you have thinning issues. So if you have thinning areas in any part of your scalp, you want to squirt it into that area and gently massage it into the scalp. Never apply it to wet hair or a wet scalp. Always make sure your hair is completely dry. Now when it comes to using this product, you can also do a neat little trick. Deep conditioner. There's a pro tip on the back that's going to give you the steps to applying these two together to make a deep conditioning treatment for your hair. This is suitable for all hair types and all hair textures as well. Healing scalp butter is excellent for scalp psoriasis and dandruff, and if you're having any type of scalp issue. As with the root growth elixir, you only want to apply it to the scalp and the hair when the hair is completely dry and clean. With both scalp products, they're only designed to be used every 3 days and never used together. You will weigh your hair down and you will be unhappy. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.